Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Groton with Herbalife. You know, for over 40 years, Herbalife's been providing high-quality, science-based products and supplements. Recently, we've launched a new line of products which are organic, plant-based. It's called Herbalife V. I'm very excited about these new products, so I've invited my colleague and friend Milena to join us from marketing and talk about these new products. Hey, Milena.
Hey, Dr. Luigi. It's so nice to see you again, and I'm very happy to be here to talk about the new line of products, Herbalife V. Some of these products include the plant-based protein shake in classic and chocolate flavors, plant-based immune support, plant-based digestive support, and my personal favorite, plant-based greens booster. Tell us about why Herbalife decided to start laying roots in the plant-based space.
I think it's a very important question. To answer your question, Milena, think about the opportunity. 1 in 3 Americans are leaning into this plant-based lifestyle. So, you know, I'm a flexitarian, right? I'll have meat, chicken, fish, but I try and incorporate more fruits and vegetables and plants into my diet. I know you're vegan for how many years now?
Almost 10.
Okay, so you're vegan, and then think about all the vegetarians out there. So it really sort of gives an opportunity to cover all these bases. A lot of different consumer preferences. So I'm very excited about this new line.
And you're talking about consumer preferences. We talk about personalization all the time. We see you on stage training about customizing programs for your customers and clients. So I want to know what sets Herbalife V apart.
Yeah, Milena, great question. Now, I love with this new line Herbalife V, we've got these plant-powered ingredients that people are going to totally be excited about and discover. But what's really unique are the third-party certifications that we've got with the products. Now think about third-party certifications such as USDA Organic Certified, Vegan and Plant-Based Certified, Non-GMO Project Verified, and Kosher Certified. So these third-party verifications give tremendous confidence. And I know you, as a vegan, when you're shopping, you probably look for these in the aisle, right?
Absolutely. Always looking at the back of the products, checking out the label, making sure that what I'm buying, what I'm consuming is suitable for my lifestyle and my diet. So this is great. I love it when products have this third-party certification. I think this is going to bring an additional layer of credibility. And as we're talking about the products, I already said my favorite is the plant-based greens booster. Tell me why this is so special.
Milena, it's a great question about the Greens Booster. I absolutely love this product. It's actually my favorite of all the Greens Boosters I've ever tried in my life. But I think in terms of the Greens Booster itself, what's exciting, 3 organic blends of fruits and vegetables. That's amazing in itself, right? What's cool is that you can personalize it. You can add it to water. I'm gonna probably add it to my favorite shake, or if you wanna add it to your favorite beverage. So the ability to personalize it, it's simple, it's fast, it's great.
As we're talking about ingredients, we keep mentioning plant-based ingredients. Tell me what the difference is between Formula 1, Formula 1 Select, and the Herbalife V product line.
Yeah, this is a very important question because, look, I have my cookies and cream shake every day, right? Now that's my traditional Formula 1 cookies and cream, you know, I personalize it, but that's soy-based, right? So that's soy protein. Now you, as a vegan, maybe the Herbalife V is gonna be appropriate for you. But think about, you mentioned Formula 1 Select. That is rice, pea, quinoa. So someone who is vegetarian, who's looking for a vegetarian certified, may want that shake. I think the important thing to recognize in all this, an important point, Milena, the Formula 1 Traditional, like my cookies and cream, and the Formula 1 Select, they're meal replacements. Whereas the Herbalife V shakes, the chocolate and classic, those are protein snacks. And I know you probably look for that when you're shopping as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I very rarely try to substitute a meal, but I'm always looking for protein options that are plant-based and delicious as snacks to supplement my protein intake. And as we're talking about plant-based ingredients, California consumers may notice the Prop 65 warning labels on some of these products. Can you tell us a little bit more about Prop 65? And also, are these products still safe to consume?
Oh, absolutely. So first and foremost, Milena, the Herbalife V products, just like all the Herbalife products, are absolutely safe to consume. Okay, so point number 1, very important. Look, I've been using the products 18 years. My family uses the products, so no issues of safety. Okay, so everyone should understand that. But I think what you said about Prop 65 is important to understand, what you mentioned. Prop 65 is specifically something for California. So if you're in New York, California, Texas, New Jersey, same formula. However, when the products are sold in California, we have to put the Prop 65 label statement on there, okay? So why? Well, it's very simple. Fruits and vegetables, when they're grown in the soil, they pull up compounds and minerals that are in the soil and they get into the plants. When the levels of those compounds exceed a certain limit, then we have to disclose that in California, okay? So very simple, just a disclosure, it's for transparency. So hopefully that's clear and also gives a vote of confidence for folks.
Great to know, Dr. Luigi, and some of our California consumers may already recognize this label from other products and also at grocery stores or coffee shops. You see it everywhere. This was very helpful. Thank you for sitting down with me to talk about the new Herbalife beet products. I'm sure this conversation will be useful for a lot of consumers. Let's have a drink.
Yeah, absolutely. A toast to our Herbalife beet products. Very exciting. Cheers.
Cheers, Dr. Luigi.
Thanks, Milena. Oh, that's delicious. If you have not had these products, make sure you go out and get some.